Hello and welcome to my video, or should I say my channel. My name's Josephine and today it's another polkadoodles make for I'm their guest designer. So I'm just doing this just for 3 months. The stamp set that I'm using today is Believe in Angels, and I love the words "Believe you are amazing." I've made this cute little tag and I think she's absolutely amazing. And the tag, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with it, but yeah, I might put it in a journal or something like that, because I think, yeah, it's really cool. So I'm going to show you how I made it. So I've already stamped her face out, so just in case, and I will do it upside down. And I'm using some old Stampin' Up stamps because I love their stamps, and I'm going to use and I know that they're not available, I don't think. It's Tangerello, I call it Tangerine Twist, but it's not a Daffodil Delight. So they are old, but I know that Stampin' Up people out there would know all about it. So I've got a dry baby wipe and I'm just popping the ink on here, and then what I'm going to do is gently just bring it in so that I can copy my other one. So I've got 2 to match. And yes, I've really loved playing with this stamp set. I've used another stamp set as well, just bringing it in. So I hope you enjoy this, yeah, the way that I'm doing this. Now I'm going to use Daffodil Delight. I've still got my dry baby wipe, and pop this yellow here, and just round her face and her hair, as you can see there. I'm not too bothered about that being darker there. I can live with that. So I'm just going to clean this up. There we go, and then just bring in a wipe to dry it, and now I'm going to stamp the heart, the row of hearts on this, and I'm using black Memento ink for this, and hopefully you can see that these stamps just stamp absolutely lovely. And I'm just going to, how far up do I want to go? Just there, that's it. And then bring it down. So this is just kind of like a border, so that it brings your, well, hopefully brings your eye in to our lovely beautiful little angel. So yeah, you all are amazing out there, that's what I would say. This is a bit long, so I'm going to go there. I'm not too worried. So yes, have a go at making your own stamps. Look at your stamps, what you've got in your stash, and see whether you can come up with something. So that's that. Let's just pop that back. Now we're going to colour her in now. Now I'm going to, already got some brown on here. And let's take her off of this stamp because we don't need that at the moment. And just bring in this brown very ever so lightly. A little bit of water. Yeah, my these are very old. I don't think I've got any water in it in actual fact. I don't want too much. I don't want to wet this card so to make it warp. And I could actually put some more colour in. But yeah, hopefully you're enjoying this. I've actually stamped the grey stays on. So obviously, yeah, when you are doing watercolours, it won't actually move. It does what it says in the on the packet. It stays on. So that's her hair. Quite cute. I'll just clean my brush quickly, because I haven't got any. That's it on there. And then I'm going to bring in. This is a very vibrant reddy pink, so I'm going to bring it in here. I don't know if you can see, and add some water because we don't want it. I want it very, very light. So can test a little bit to see how light it is. Well, we'll go with it, and then we're just. You're like, oh my goodness, she's got a very. Do this around here, and then we'll bring some water to bring it out. So yeah, these Stampin' Up inks are water reactive. So let's bring it out a bit more. I'm just going to damp her down. She looks quite pink, doesn't she? Let's damp her down. Quick way of and I really want to your lips. I know I'm doing this upside down. Very. In actual fact, I want to get some brown on there. Darker brown. I wonder if I can take it straight. I need a darker brown for that. So I know that I shouldn't waste that ink there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. Can you see? So I can use it for something else, so I don't waste any of my ink. Rather than I can stamp on that and make something else. So that's that. Let's bring my wet, which is my wet wipe. That's the pink. It's underneath here. Here it is. Let's clean this off. There we go. We're going to do some stamping now. And we're nearly finished. So that's her so far. And I'm going to bring this on. We're going to use a very small little crosshatch stamp, which I think is quite cute. And I'm going to just gently as you can see, just adding a little bit to the pattern of this tag. I'll do some there, some there. Going a bit crazy now. Right, let's clean that off and then do some yellow, I think. The yellow's not as bright as the orange, as you can see, and then we're going to stamp over it. So we'll just do that, and then I need my sentiments. So bring my stamps back in, and so obviously the sentiments are believe you are amazing. So we're going to do believe, line this up here on my block, and I'm going to stamp this in Memento. Where is it? You. It's always weird, isn't it? That's a day. It's not you. There it is there. Believe you. There it is. Hopefully you won't be able to see that, but we're going to stamp this up there, just like that. So bring my Memento in. Pat, pat. And then eyeball it like so. There. These stamps are, oh, the sentiments are lovely. The stamps, they stamp so clear, as you can see. It's just, please pop along to Polkadoodles website. All the designs are from Nikki Hall. I will leave all the links below. Oh, sorry, that's a bit noisy. I will leave all the links below. So there's my tag, and now I'm just going to bring in an old Stampin' Up punch. So we need to get this, hopefully, yep, it's done it. Just to give a decorative edge on these. Now it's gone a bit wonky. That's because it's a bit wet. Stamp this one in. Now, normally Stampin' Up stamps, punches are fine. It's quite old anyway. So I'm just going to marry that up, and hopefully it will be in the middle. There, like so. I get my twine. And there you have, I think, oh, there's been a bit of water and I didn't see it on here, but hey, I'm not too worried about that. It's actually, there's a droplet of water just on there, but that's okay. Yeah, it's handmade. I'm not worried about it. Yeah, you can always put something over it, or there. So the actual making of these, this is a bit more stronger than this one, but yeah. And her, in actual fact, I should do her lips a little bit brighter as well, shouldn't I? Let's quickly do this. So I've loved playing with these stamp set, and to get out my old inks and yeah, have a play. There, let's just quickly do this a bit, give her a bit of a lip liner. There, oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So get your stamps out, have a look to see what you can make tag wise. As I say, yeah, these more than likely will be going in some type of journal or something. I think that I've that I'm going to be making. So I've really enjoyed playing with these, and thanks for watching, and see you all again soon on my next video. Bye for now. God bless.